Now, children, we just continue with our discussion. Our next topic is distance. What do you mean by distance? It is the actual length of path traveled by a body. Children, here you are having a starting point and end point. The total distance covered in a one lap is 400 meter. Now, can I say that for the circle, the distance is a circumference of the circle. You are starting point and you are having a end point. If you are going with the half circle, then it's a semicircle, circumference of semicircle. If you are going with the 3/4, if you are going with the 1/4 motion, then it's a 1/4 or 3/4 of your circumference. Distance is a length of path between 2 points. Children, here one beautiful diagram is given, okay, where you are starting your journey from New Delhi to Ghaziabad. Here the arrow shows the path which is covered from New Delhi to Ghaziabad. So whatever the total length covered by an object from New Delhi to Ghaziabad, it's a distance. Displacement. It is a length of shortest path traveled by the body from initial position to final position. Same diagram is here. A circle is there. Children, in distance we are having a circle circumference. The total path covered by an object. Now what is displacement? The shortest path traveled by an object. For the same diagram, the displacement is 0. Why displacement is 0? Because your end point and starting point is same. Here we are having a distance and a displacement. Children, you can see the yellow line shows your distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are having a step by step length is there. Your starting point is home and your end point is school. Now the red line shows displacement, the shortest path covered by an object. It is a change in the position with the time. As I say, motion. Motion can be described in terms of distance moved or the displacement. Distance is the actual length of the path traveled by the body, and the displacement is the length of the shortest path traveled by the body from its initial position to final position. Children, here one diagram is given. If a body start moving in a straight line from origin O, children, your origin is O, and move through C and B and reaches at A, then move back and reach to C through B. So what is your distance? 60 plus 35 kilometer is equal to 95 kilometer. Again, I am telling you, children, distance is the total path moving from O, C, B and then A. Now it's moved back and reach to C. So for displacement, your starting point is O and end point is C. What is the distance between O and C? 25 kilometer. So your distance is total 60 plus 35, 95 kilometer, but your displacement is length between O and C. I don't bother either it's moved to the B, C, A and coming back. It's not my lookout. I have to just see a starting point and end point. So for displacement, your starting point is O and end point is C, which is a 25 kilometer. So children, here we are having a end of today's lecture. We discuss about motion, types of motion, distance and displacement. Tomorrow we will continue with more examples to clarify about two physical quantities, distance and displacement.